Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to our NIRS education channel. In today's session, we are going to start the next poem, that is The Rebel. The writer of this poem is Danish Joseph Enright. Firstly, let us know about the title. Rebel means a person who does not like rules or authority and shows this by behaving differently from most people in society. A person who doesn't follow the common rules and the common beliefs of the society. Instead, he stands against the group of the people or society and acts differently. That person is called rebel, who is unique, versatile in character or in attitude. That person is called rebel. Here we have an example. Harry was a rebel when he was a teenager and he dyed his hair blue. Means normally the teenagers would like to have black hair, but Harry was a different. Instead of black hair, he dyed with blue. He colored his hair with blue. That is different. Here we have an image of a rebel who stands differently, who stands against the people. I hope it will help you to understand the meaning of the title, The Rebel. Let us know about the author, D.J. Enright. Danish Joseph Enright was a British academic, poet, novelist, and critic. He authored academic year, Memoirs of Mendicant Professor, and a wide range of essays, reviews, anthologies, children's books, and poems. This is the brief introduction of author. It is a picture of author D.J. Enright. Here we have the introduction. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? In your friend circle, in your group, have you ever observed any person doing different things, who always thinks against the people, who acts differently? That person can be described or called a rebel. Think of a word to describe such a person. Can you find any other words to describe that person? Special character, right? Special character, versatile, unique. These words can be used. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Can you recall the things that kind of persons do? This poem is full of activities that the rebel does. Now let us recite the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Design, right? Recite this poem. In the next session, let us discuss the meaning of this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.